大家好，我是李老师. You can call me Teacher CJ. We will learn about the tips and tricks on how to memorize the number in Chinese text. Disclaimer: the tricks I will share to you has no historical relevance or support. It is my way to help students remember the Chinese text easily. They can memorize this even during the first meeting of the class. So let's start. 我们现在开始。Okay. The easiest one, horizontal line. Now, for number 2, two horizontal lines. Just remember a pair. Okay. So it's almost the same length. Two horizontal lines. This is number 2. Next is 3. Sun. Remember, 3 is a crowd. So after it's a pair. So one more so that it will become a crowd. Sun. Or we can write it this way. This one. Sun. Now we go to number 8. Pa. Remember, mustache or mountain. Yes, Leo. That. Then, what's this character? Still remember? E. And then, Pa. So, this is Leo. Remember, Leo is a combination of E and Pa with a dot. Go to number 4. Vertical, then horizontal, another vertical, and we insert Pa with a slide curve. And we enclose it with a horizontal line again. So this is S, number 4. Is 10. Just remember the cross or the plus sign. Sure. Now, we will talk about the perfect number. Anybody wants to guess what's the perfect number? So, it's number 7. Qi in Chinese. Qi. Why did I call it a perfect number? I'll show you right now. This is similar with the English number. As we invert this paper, see? So, when you write the number 7 in Chinese, it's similar writing it in English. Before I go to the next number, I want to emphasize that I'm only teaching you right now the proper way on writing the Chinese numbers, but not discussing the different stroke of Chinese. Okay, so let's go to number 9. 9. Okay, this one. Okay. So, this is 9. So let me show you something. It's for you is remember it easily. Okay. As you can see, what number is this similar to? Okay. So if your answer is 4, then you are correct. So the Joe is 4 in English. But this is number 9. Joe. So remember, Joe is written as inverted 4 in English. Number is similar with the character of number 9 in Chinese. So this is Wu. Okay, this is Wu. So I will show you the inverted way. So here you can see the number 4. On top of number 4, there's a horizontal line. And then at the bottom, another short horizontal line. So this is number 5. Wu. Now we start with Yi. Yi means rain. And Ling means command. So rain, which is Yi, plus Ling, command, you have Ling, second tone, which means 0. So when you know the character of 0, you actually know 3 characters in combination. Now we will be studying the pi. Okay, so we start with E. So remember E, and then the pa, the pie, and then S. Remember the 4 here. S. So this one, and then but inside it's not the pa, it's E, and then we close it. This is pi 100. Pi. The next one is the chen. Remember the 10? Sure. This one. And then we add the pie. So the correct stroke is the pie and then E and then down. This is 1,000. I chen. So remember the I chen with sure, the 10. And you will easily remember the 1,000. So the next one is 1. For you to easily remember this one, I'll write the number 5 first. Okay? This is a bit gross, but it will easily make you remember the 1. So this 5, we will remove the neck of the 5. So after this one is removed, this will come out. It will be like this. And then we put up here. So this is 10,000. So this is 1. So remember, when you see the 1, the 5 without the neck. So this is 1. 10,000. Okay? Thank you for watching.